We did it!
Why didn't you blast off? I think you did it wrong.
Maybe not.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Emergency Management Agency, Nashville, Tennessee. There is a fire currently burning at a commercial tire facility on Tanglewood Road in Harriman, Tennessee. The Roane County Emergency Management Agency is directing citizens located within a half-mile radius of the fire to remain indoors until the fire is under control. This is a precautionary measure, as smoke combined with the current air quality may result in difficulty with breathing for some people. The affected area is bordered by Highway 27, Webster Road, and Woods Chapel Road. If you experience difficulty breathing, you should contact your local 911 emergency center for medical assistance. This is an emergency alert broadcast from the Roane County Emergency Management Agency.